I'm Stefania Paredes Fuentes. I am an associate professor at the Department of Economics at Warwick University.
I was interested in economics when I was around 14, 15. I come from Ecuador. There was a huge financial crisis in Ecuador. It was big for the country. 80% of the population fell into poverty, and so I just wanted to understand how was that possible and which policies have to be put in place in order for that never to happen ever again. And I tried to find which subject will help me to do that, and I thought economics is what I should do in the future. I got a teaching and research scholarship, so I started doing teaching. I started with small seminars, but eventually I got the opportunity to teach a large lecture, and I realized that I was passionate. I really enjoyed teaching, and what I wanted to do was to keep teaching to new students, because I thought like actually one way that we could do something to change the world was to teach others like what are the problems in the world. A lot of my colleagues look into the economics of education, but I'm actually looking at the education of economics. While Warwick is a very research-led university, I find a lot of colleagues and support from the department for teaching. They are really interested in how to improve the students' experience and how to improve the curriculum that the students see when they come to Warwick. Economics helped me to understand what was behind the scenes during the Ecuadorian financial crisis in the 1990s. The objective of teaching economics now is exactly that, making students understand how the economy, the environment around them work.